You will need your MyView Literacy Book 1.2. Open it up to page 134 and 135 and follow along as I read. This week we're talking about poetry. My learning goal is I can read about how living things grow and change. Poetry is written in lines. It can have rhyme or words with the same middle and ending sounds. It often has rhythm or a strong beat. I'm going to read this poem. First, listen for rhythm. So the strong beat. Hickory dickory dock, the mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck one and down he run, hickory dickory dock. Did you hear the rhythm? Right. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. Na 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 na. What about the rhyme? Which of those words had the same middle and ending sound? Well, for our first one, we can see hickory, so ickory, dickory, those two rhyme. Dock and clock rhyme. They already highlighted those for us. And this dock down here rhymes with that as well. If we look further down, we can see one and run also rhyme. They have the same middle and ending sound. One, run. Let's look at our poetry anchor chart. Rhyme. A cat rhymes with rat. So for rhyme, we're having the same middle and ending sound. They might be spelled different, but they're going to sound the same. Like for at or at. The at part is the same in both of those words. For rhythm, that is the beat. So see how they drew a mouse beating on a drum? So rhythm is the beat of a poem. The mouse ran up the clock. Da-dum, da-tum, da-tum. We're going to read two poems this week. The Long Sleep and Changes. While we're reading, listen for rhythm and rhyme. The Long Sleep. When red leaves fall, I eat all day. Then dig my den, no time to play. Read the pages aloud. Clap the beat of the poem. Underline the words you clapped on. When red leaves fall, I eat all day. Then dig my den, no time to play. Let's reread this poem. Clap on the words that I underlined. The Long Sleep. When red leaves fall, I eat all day. Then dig my den, no time to play. Reread this poem and try to clap on those words again. Full and happy, I sleep and sleep through winter's chill and snowfalls deep. Highlight the words that tell how the bear changes when winter comes. So how is our bear changing over the winter? Right, so at the beginning, he was awake and he was eating. But then at the end, all he does is sleep. I sleep and sleep. Our second poem is called Changes. In spring and summer, my coat is brown. I blend with dirt, I burrow down. Underline the lines that rhyme. So which words rhyme? Well, I can see two words. Here's the first one, brown. What other word in our poem rhymes with brown? It has to have the own sound in it at the end. I'll reread the poem. See if you can find it. In spring and summer, my coat is brown. I blend with dirt, I burrow down. Right, down. Those two words rhyme because they have the same ending sound. In icy winter, my coat turns white. It's hard to find me, day or night. See how hard it is to see that fox? How did he change? He was brown in spring and summer, so he would blend in with the dirt. But then when winter came, there wasn't dirt because it was covered in snow. So he changed his fur to white so he could blend in with the snow. Highlight the words that tell how the fox changes with the seasons. Here it says his coat turns white. And on this page it says the coat is brown. Check for understanding. Write the answers to the questions. You can look back at the text. What makes these texts poetry? So how are these two poems poetry? Let's look back at our anchor chart to see. Our anchor chart says a poem has rhyme and rhythm. Did the long sleep have rhythm? It did. Remember clapping it out? When red leaves fall, I eat all day. Then dig my den, no time to play. That one has rhythm. Changes had rhyme. Remember our two rhyming words? Brown and down. So they're poetry because one has rhythm and the other has rhyming. Why does the author use the words chill and icy? Here we have the word icy in icy winter. And here we have the word chill through winter's chill. Why did the author use those two words? Right, they wanted you to understand how it feels. It feels chill and icy. The author wanted you to know how it feels. How is the bear like the fox? Use text evidence. So what happened to the bear? The bear started out eating and digging and then went to sleep. So it changed because it was eating and digging and then went to sleep. What happened to the fox? The fox started out brown and then it changed to white. The bear and the fox both changed. Finish this page and then turn it in.